Hello friends, and today we are looking at the Colourpop It's a Mood palette. I'll be showing you a wearable tutorial, swatches, and a quick review of the palette. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to see future videos, and let's get into it. To start off with, I wanted to give you a quick review and swatches of the It's a Mood palette. This palette is part of their Mega Palette collection, which has 30 shades and is in the cardboard packaging, which is my personal favorite. In the palette, we have 11 metallic shades, of which one is a duochrome finish, which is gorgeous, by the way. We have 16 matte shades, of which one of those is a matte with sparkles through it, and we have 3 pressed glitters, which are not intended for the eye area. I personally love the pressed glitters, but I know there are some people out there who aren't a fan of that. The quality of this palette is perfection, and once I swatched all of the shades, it made me really excited to try out heaps of different looks because there is a really good variety of shades to pick from. The one thing I would change is to switch out some of the matte oranges because there are quite a few in there that are very similar. The main thing I love about this palette is the way that they have set it up. All of the shades are displayed in matching columns. So for beginners, or on those days where you're feeling a bit overwhelmed with choice or even uninspired with what look to create, you can easily look at any column in this palette and you can create a very cohesive and put together look without having to worry about it. I really love that they did that, and I hope they do that more often in their mega palettes in the future. As you can see from the swatches, these shades are gorgeous and rich. I love them. I could stare at swatches all day. My favorite shades are Thunder, which is a plum and teal duochrome, Feels Like, which is an aqua metallic, and Reunion, which is a unique pinky tangerine. Please tell me which shade you are drawn to most in these swatches. I really hope you found these swatches helpful. If you want to see some comparisons, please let me know and we can do them over on Instagram. I do normally like to include comparisons in my video, however, I am trying to get as many Colourpop videos out as I can before the end of the year, so I can start afresh with new palettes next year. Now here is the tutorial for the It's a Mood palette. To start off with, I'm concealing my eyelids and starting off with my eyes first, and then I'll be doing my face later on. I know you're begging, asking me for something a little bit different. Taking the It's a Mood palette, look how stunning it is. The first shade we are grabbing is called Everywhere, and I'm going to be buffing this into my crease. I'm also going to leave these clips in pretty real time so you can see just how long it takes me to blend all of my shadows out, and so you can follow along as well if you want to. I do hope this is helpful for you, seeing just how long it takes for me to blend. This is a really gorgeous shade. I love it. Look how nice it looks, and it's blending out so good. But this is going to act as my transition shade. I'm doing really big windshield wiper motions all in the crease, buffing it out, really making sure to blend it nice and good.
What if you really found getting it done? I was just having fun. You was never the one for me. Know that you dumb if you think you're the one. Just had to elevate. Think you can go post me on your birthday like I'm your man. Think you don't understand. We never gonna be. I've been looking at your bestie like she a tree.
The next shade we're grabbing is this gorgeous burgundy shade. I love it, and I'm going to begin to tap this on the outer third of my eye to help deepen up the outer corner and really begin a nice gradient. I love how these two shades look together. I think it's stunning. It's so beautiful. So with this shade, I am buffing it a little bit into the crease. I'm trying to be a bit more precise into the crease area only, so you can still see that first shade popping through just above it. And back in with concealer, I'm going to begin to cut the crease, and I'm going to cut the crease pretty far over to roughly where that darker shade is. I really love cut creases. For some reason, I think they suit my eye shape really nicely. So it's one of my go-to looks to do.
Thinking how I need you now. I'm doing so much better for me. I know you looking up, but can you hold it down? Nowadays only got time for me. Know you checking up, but you can't.
We're now grabbing this really pretty shimmer shade, and I'm going to tap this all over where we put the concealer for the cut crease. Just look how shiny it is. It's just beautiful. All these colors go so nicely.
You lock your heart and I'm dying trying to free ya. I'm just trying to take over as leader. Maybe you could be my senorita. See, I've been paving tracks up in my own lane. If you acting like you knew me, know that I've changed. Couldn't settle for
Now I'm grabbing one of the pressed glitters in the palette, and I'm tapping this where the shimmer shade and the darker color mesh together, and I'm just tapping it all over that sort of area and slightly into the inner corner and slightly onto the outer corner, just so it pops through. You can see how gorgeous and shimmery it is. I just love the glitters. I know not many people like the glitters, but I love them.
I know you lost and you look.
Taking a darker shadow, I'm going to just pop this onto my lash line just to help make my lashes appear a bit thicker, because I won't be wearing false lashes for this look, so I do want to try and make them look a bit more thick down there.
I know you looking up, but can you hold it down? Nowadays only got time for me. Know you checking up, but you can't check out. Know that I'm not trying to let you go.
Now we have done the face makeup and moving on to the bottom lash line. I'm taking that first transition shade and buffing it into my bottom lash line all over. I want to keep it nice and simple.
Got me in my feeling, I don't know the reason.
It is now time to curl my lashes
I used to make time before they're gonna try and find me alone.
and pop on some mascara.
Way before the polish flow.
And I may have put some on my nose. It happens all of the time. And this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. It is very wearable. It's so easy to do, and I think it looks really, really beautiful. If you want to see more looks of me using the It's a Mood palette, please let me know in the comments and I can surely do that. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.